Take control of your finances today by opening your U.S. bank account and start your journey towards financial freedom. If you face any issues, comment below and I'll guide you personally. Are you planning to live, work, study, or do business in the United States? Do you want a safe, secure, and easy way to manage your money? Then you must know how to open a bank account in the USA the right way, step by step with zero confusion. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need, who is eligible, what documents are required, how to avoid fees, and how to choose the best bank for your needs, whether you're a U.S. citizen, a resident, or an international student or worker. After watching this from beginning to end, you will know everything about opening a bank account in the United States without any guesswork. Let us get started. When you open a bank account in the USA, you unlock financial convenience, security, and global opportunities. You can keep your money safe with FDIC insurance, up to $250,000 per account. You can have easy access to funds with a debit card, online banking, and mobile apps. You can set up direct deposit for salary or paychecks. You can make online bill payments and automatic transfers. You can build financial history in the United States. You can apply for credit cards and loans more easily. You can use better budgeting and saving tools with digital apps. You can have instant access to ATMs nationwide. Even if you're an international student, remote worker, or business owner, a bank account makes managing money simple and secure. If you are a U.S. citizen, opening a bank account is easy. You need a valid government ID, like a passport or driver license, proof of address, like a utility bill or lease, and your social security number, SSN. That is it. No extra hoops. If you are a U.S. resident or green card holder, the same requirements apply. You need an ID, proof of address, SSN. Non-U.S. citizens, including international students, workers, and visitors, can also open a U.S. bank account. You will need a passport, visa, or I-94 entry record, proof of address, which can be U.S. or foreign, a secondary ID, like a national ID card, driver license, or student ID, and sometimes an SSN or ITIN. Many banks allow you to open an account without an SSN, especially if you're a student, visitor, or new immigrant. There are different types of bank accounts. Checking accounts are the most common, ideal for everyday spending. They come with a debit card, unlimited transactions, online and mobile banking, and check writing features. They are best for paying bills, spending salary, direct deposit, and daily transactions. Savings accounts are meant for saving money. They earn interest on your balance and have limited monthly withdrawals. They are good for emergency savings and financial goals. Money market accounts combine features of checking and savings. They offer higher interest than savings accounts, sometimes allow check writing, and require higher balances. They are best for people who want both savings growth and spending access. Certificates of deposit, or CDs, are fixed deposits with higher interest. They have fixed terms from 3 months to 5 years and penalties for early withdrawal. They are best for long-term savings with higher interest. For U.S. citizens and residents, you need a valid government ID, SSN, and proof of address. For non-U.S. citizens without SSN or ITIN, many banks accept passport, secondary ID, visa, or I-94 entry record, and proof of address. Some banks accept foreign addresses. Choosing the right bank is the first step. You can choose between traditional banks like Chase Bank, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, or online banks like Chime, Ally, Varo. Decide if you need a checking account, a savings account, or both. Prepare your documents, including passport, secondary ID, SSN or ITIN if available, and proof of address. Apply online or visit a branch. Online account opening is faster, lets you upload documents from your phone and receive a debit card by mail. In person, you can speak with a banker, get help if you don't have an SSN, and open your account on the same day. Fund your account with the minimum deposit, which can range from $0 to $100. You can fund it via cash in branch, debit card transfer, wire transfer, or mobile check deposit. Activate your debit card when it arrives by phone or app. Set up your PIN online, log in, and mobile app. Set up direct deposit for salary receiving, funds, or other income. Direct deposit makes your money go directly into your account automatically. Many people ask if they need an SSN to open a bank account. You do not always need an SSN. Many banks allow accounts with passport and secondary ID. Can international students open an account? Yes, with passport, student ID, I-20, or DS2019. Can visitors open an account? Yes, at many major banks, especially large ones. What if I don't have a US address? Some banks accept foreign addresses, especially online banks. Are there monthly fees? Yes, some banks charge maintenance fees, but you can avoid fees by meeting minimum balance requirements or choosing fee-free accounts. The best banks for international students and non-residents include Chase Bank, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo. They accept passport and secondary ID, have many branches nationwide, and offer online banking with English support. The best online banks include Chime, Varo, and Ally. They require no physical branch, easy online setup, and low or no minimum balance. The best banks for low fees include Capital One 360, Discover Bank, and Charles Schwab Bank. They have no monthly fees, free ATM access, and online management. Always bring multiple IDs, passport plus secondary ID, for higher approval chances. Ask about fee waivers. Banks often waive fees if you set up direct deposit or keep a minimum balance. Choose online banking with a good app for easier account management. Know your rights as a customer. U.S. banks must follow strict regulations protecting your money. Ask for multilingual help. Many banks offer customer service in multiple languages. Now you know exactly how to open a bank account in the United States, step by step, from eligibility and documents to choosing the best bank and avoiding fees. If you have any questions, specific problems, or situations, just drop a comment below. I will personally help you solve it. Remember, your financial journey starts with the first right step, and today you just took that step.